Car Extero brings you something truly special today. Because the all-new 2026 Toyota Tundra isn't just another pickup truck refresh, it's a statement about where trucks are heading next. Blending brute strengths with refined technology, aggressive styling, and a level of comfort that used to be reserved for luxury SUVs when you first lay eyes on the 2026 Tundra, the presence is unmistakable. The front fascia has been reworked to look even more commanding, with a wider grille that stretches confidently across the nose, framed by sharper LED headlights that give it a modern and almost intimidating stare. The sculpted hood lines flow seamlessly toward the windshield, creating a sense of motion even when the truck is standing still. And that's something Toyota designers clearly leaned into, making sure this truck looks powerful from every angle. As you move along the sides, the bold character lines become more evident. The body panels have been refined to improve aerodynamics while still maintaining that rugged, squared-off truck identity. People love the wheel arches are more pronounced, housing larger wheel options that range up to 22 inches. Depending on the trim, these aren't just for show either. They're designed to handle serious terrain while still looking premium. Enough for city driving. The 2026 Tundra also introduces new color options, including deeper metallic finishes and matte inspired tones that highlight the truck's muscular stance under different lighting conditions. Whether it's parked under the sun or cruising through city streets at night, the paint seems to shift subtly, adding a layer of visual sophistication. At the rear, Toyota has refined the tailgate design, integrating a more functional step system and improving the overall durability. The LED taillights now feature a more intricate lighting signature, giving the truck a distinctive look even from a distance. The bed itself has also seen improvements, with enhanced composite materials that are stronger and more resistant to scratches and dents. There are additional teardown points, an available power tailgate, and even built-in lighting systems that make nighttime loading much easier. For those who use their trucks for work, these details matter a lot, and Toyota clearly understands that balance between utility and style. It's a step inside, and the transformation becomes even more apparent. The interior of the 2026 Tundra feels like it belongs in a completely different category compared to older pickup trucks. The cabin is more spacious, with improved legroom and headroom across both rows. High-quality materials dominate the dashboard and door panels, including soft-touch surfaces, real metal accents, and optional wood trims that elevate the overall feel. The seats have been redesigned for better comfort during long drives, with improved cushioning and available heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. It's clear that Toyota is targeting not just truck buyers, but also those who want a premium driving experience without sacrificing capability. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive infotainment display, which now comes in an even larger size with faster response times and improved graphics. The interface is intuitive, allowing drivers to easily access navigation, media, and vehicle settings without distraction. Wireless connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and there's also a premium sound system available that turns the cabin into a concert-like environment. Voice control has been enhanced as well, making it easier to perform tasks without taking your hands off the wheel. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Tundra continues to push boundaries with its powertrain options. The twin-turbo V6 engine remains a core offering, delivering impressive horsepower and torque figures that rival traditional V8 engines while offering better efficiency. There's also an updated hybrid variant that combines electric power with the gasoline engine, resulting in even greater torque output and improved fuel economy. This hybrid system isn't just about saving fuel, it actually enhances performance, especially when towing or accelerating under load. The power delivery feels smooth and immediate, which is something drivers will notice right away. Speaking of towing, the 2026 Tundra is built to handle serious workload. The towing capacity has been improved, and the truck now includes advanced towing technologies that make hauling trailers safer and easier. Features like trailer backup assist, adaptive towing guidance, and integrated brake controllers help drivers maintain control even in challenging conditions. There's also a suite of cameras that provide multiple viewing angles around the truck, including a transparent trailer view that gives you a clear line of sight behind what you're towing. These innovations are designed to reduce stress and increase confidence, whether you're a seasoned truck owner or someone new to towing. On the road, the 2026 Tundra delivers a surprisingly refined driving experience. The suspension system has been tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections more effectively, resulting in a smoother ride. At the same time, it maintains the durability needed for off-road adventures. Higher trims come equipped with advanced off-road features, including multi-terrain select, crawl control, and adaptive suspension systems that adjust based on the terrain. Whether you're driving on highways, dirt roads, or rocky trails, the Tundra adapts to provide the best possible performance. Safety has also been a major focus for Toyota, and the 2026 Tundra comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assists, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. There are also new features like intersection assists and enhanced pedestrian detection, which use sensors and cameras to identify potential hazards and respond quickly. The goal is to create a truck that not only performs well, but also keeps occupants and others on the road safe. Another interesting aspect of the 2026 Tundra is its focus on sustainability without compromising capability. The hybrid power plays a big role here, reducing emissions while still delivering the power truck owners expect. Toyota has also incorporated more eco-friendly materials in the interior, including recycled components that don't sacrifice quality or durability. This approach reflects a broader trend in the automotive industry, where manufacturers are looking for ways to reduce environmental impact while meeting customer demands. From a practical standpoint, the 2026 Tundra offers a variety of configurations to suit different needs. Buyers can choose from multiple cab sizes, bed lengths, and trim levels, each tailored to specific preferences. Whether you need a workhorse for daily tasks, a family-friendly vehicle for road trips, or an off-road machine for weekend adventures, there's a Tundra configuration that fits the bill. The flexibility is one of the truck's biggest strengths, making it appealing to a wide range of customers. One of the standout qualities of the 2026 Tundra is how it balances tradition and innovation. It still feels like a tough, reliable pickup truck, but it also embraces modern technology and design in a way that feels natural rather than forced. This balance is what sets it apart from many competitors, as it manages to appeal to both longtime truck enthusiasts and new buyers looking for something more refined. As you spend more time with the truck, the attention to detail becomes even more apparent. Small touches, like improved storage compartments, wireless charging pads, and customizable ambient lighting add to the overall experience. Even the way the doors close with a solid, reassuring sound speaks to the build quality and engineering behind the vehicle. These are the kinds of details that might not stand out at first, but make a big difference over time. The driving position has also been optimized, giving drivers a commanding view of the road while maintaining comfort. The steering wheel is adjustable, and the controls are laid out in a way that feels intuitive. Visibility has been improved with larger mirrors and better camera systems, making it easier to navigate tight spaces or busy streets. For a vehicle of its size, the Tundra feels surprisingly manageable, which is a testament to its thoughtful design in terms of value. The 2026 Toyota Tundra offers a compelling package while it competes in a crowded segment. It stands out by offering a combination of reliability, performance, and modern features that are hard to match. Toyota's reputation for durability also adds to the appeal, as buyers know they're investing in a vehicle that's built to last. Maintenance and ownership costs are expected to remain competitive, further enhancing its overall value proposition. The 2026 Tundra isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing so with confidence, comfort, and style. Whether you're towing heavy loads, exploring off-road trails, or simply commuting to work, this truck is designed to handle it all. It's a reflection of how far pickup trucks have come, evolving from purely utilitarian vehicles into versatile machines that cater to a wide range of lifestyles. Car Exterior continues to explore the latest in automotive innovation, and the 2026 Toyota Tundra is a perfect example of how the industry is changing. It's not just about power anymore, it's about delivering a complete experience that meets the needs of modern drivers. With its bold design, advanced technology, and impressive capabilities, the Tundra is poised to remain a strong contender in the pickup truck market as the automotive world continues to evolve. Vehicles like the 2026 Tundra show that it's possible to embrace new technologies without losing sight of what makes a truck great. It's a vehicle that races